Hey, what's up guys? So just wanted to share this quick and easy mod that I'm going to be doing to my F30. It's literally an ABS plastic light strip that I ordered off Amazon for about 65 bucks. I'm not gonna lie, it's not cheap. It's a little bit expensive for plastic, but the significant difference and change that it makes to your interior is worth it. Okay, so here's an interior shot of the door panel without the light strip. You can notice it looks good. It doesn't look, horrible, but you can see it's almost like a floodlight, and the light doesn't really have direction. So what these plastic door strips are going to do is pretty much give the light guidance and emphasize it. So that's the front door panel, and then over here, if it can focus, is the back. Also, let me go ahead and show you how the white interior lighting looks, or how BMW calls it, the sport. So it's really light. Can't really notice it. So let's see how it looks right now that we switch them out. As you can see right here, it has a lip. So you want the longer side facing or towards the back, so that you can slide it in up under here, and you'll feel it hook onto whatever's back there on the door panel. But you gotta tug it in a little bit so that way it sits nice and flush, and it gets stuck on there so that it doesn't slide off. And you're not gonna get a perfect fitment either. The light strip, you'll see this little small piece kind of stick out still, but it's not to the point where it's gonna bother you, or at least it doesn't bother me. So let me show you guys how I'm gonna put these lighting strips in and the results. So that's pretty much it. That's how it's gonna sit. Let me see if I could get a better angle for you guys. This is how it's gonna look. You're gonna have a little bit of a lip hanging out, but it's not bad. And this is what is actually gonna give you that nice, straight line across your door of lighting. And it looks really good already. I mean, I have the whole garage light on and it's pretty bright. So you could definitely say that it makes a big improvement, and it definitely enhances the lighting on your door panel. Alright, so this is the back door. And we're gonna do the same exact thing. And let me just show you guys the edge on this lighting strip that I ended up clipping off. So hopefully the camera can catch this. Okay, cool. So as you guys can see, that's the little part that I had to cut off. It's not perfect, but it works. I used a box cutting knife to get through the ABS plastic. It's not hard, but the plastic's pretty strong, so you might have to try to slice through more than 2 times to get it to fully break, but that's what I did in order to make sure that it sat flush, because when I first inserted the strip here, it had actually gone past the lighting, so I had to tamper with the fitment a little bit, but it ended up working out. So let me go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to put this light strip in, and then show you guys the results again. So that's pretty much it right there. Pretty easy. And that's how it looks. Wow, looks really good. This is how it looks on the driver's side. straight to the point, short and simple. I like this little ABS plastic interior lighting mod. It's, I wouldn't say cheap, but it's also not the most expensive mod out there. I'll put the link down in the description. Other than that, this video is pretty much over, and I want to get out this garage because it's fucking hot. Peace.